welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a travel vlog. Me and Walter are going to Fayetteville, Arkansas. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. In 2022, you guys, we will be discovering our own state. So I'll be doing a lot of travel vlogs within Arkansas as well as out of the state as well. There will be some flying, there will be some international, there will probably be some, just a lot of different vlogs and a lot of self-care, and you'll probably see me by myself on a few of my discoveries. But you guys, hey, hi, how are you guys been? Let's get into this vlog, and I hope I'm going to post this because I have been going through some things. But yes. So you guys, I'm just in here. Let me come in here so I don't burn up the kitchen. I'm fixing us breakfast right now. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. In this vlog, it is a travel vlog, and I am on my way to Fayetteville, Arkansas. I don't know why I can't hardly say that word. Fayetteville. Say hi, Walter.
Hello.
And we got grandmother in the back, which she's laying down. But I tried to do this intro earlier this morning. However, the footage is blurry, and I'm not sure why it is blurry, but I'm going to figure out how to work this camera, because this is a new camera, which I kind of like my old vlogging camera, which I don't know, I may pop my old vlogging camera out. No, I'm not. I'm gonna try to learn how to use this camera, so bear with me. Some of the footage for now is gonna be a little wonky, but I'm not trying to produce wonky, bad footage. It's just, I don't know why earlier's clips were a bit blurry, and I may not even add them in this clip, but if they do happen to show up in the clip, yeah. So what I was saying in the earlier clip is I'm gonna focus more in 2022 in traveling more, via either if it's me traveling alone or via if I'm traveling with Walter. I'm at least gonna try to go somewhere at least once a month. At least once a month. If I can't go anywhere once a month, there's gonna be a problem. Like I said, I'm gonna be going somewhere at least once a month. If I go more than once a month, hey, that's a plus. But I want to be able to capture or utilize my time here on Earth, because each day is not promised, and I would like to fulfill my enjoyment, or fulfill my life with seeing and experiencing different adventures and how much the world has to offer. And I'm going to take advantage of that, because I feel like I've been so serious in my life where I've missed out on life, and then when I caught COVID and almost losing my life, it made me realize that time is not promised to no man. And you could say you're living a good life on this earth, you're doing what you're supposed to do on this earth, but if you have not fulfilled all the things that is in your destiny, or things that you know that you would like to do, and you just don't do them because you've settled or you've allowed other people to derail your plans. No, focus on you and what make you happy and what make you be the most important person on this earth while you're on this earth in this time.
Hello.
How are you?
Stoked
Stoked?
that I'm standing in here. I'm legit in here. I'm stoked. Oh, I forgot my mask. I gotta go back out to the car. You want to tell us a little about your business so everyone would know?
It isn't my business, but I do work here and I love it. But Pink House Alchemy, we make syrups, shrubs, and bitters from whole botanicals. All the products are made in Fayetteville. We're transitioning to bring the production facility over to this warehouse, so we'll have everything in one space. But we ship to all 50 states. We've got retail shops carry our products in most states as well. So we make simple syrups for coffee and cocktails and baking and whatever use your heart desires from whole botanicals. And all of our syrups are spoon ready, so they're basically food. They're really delicious and well-rounded. So yeah, we can sample any of the other ones you were looking to have as well.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.